Top 5 Foods for Fast Weight Gain and Muscle Growth. Embarking on a journey to bulk up is undeniably challenging, akin to shedding pounds. However, the silver lining is that achieving weight and muscle gain is feasible, contingent on embracing the right dietary choices. Uncover the top 5 foods that could propel you towards your dream physique in record time. 1. Craft homemade protein smoothies, seeking a swift, nutritious route to weight gain. Homemade protein smoothies trump their store-bought counterparts loaded with sugar and lacking essential nutrients. Explore diverse and delectable variations for a wholesome approach to muscle and weight gain. 2. Embrace red meats. Red meats emerge as a powerhouse in muscle-building foods, boasting dietary creatine and leucine, a vital amino acid crucial for muscle protein synthesis. Whether aiming for muscle development or weight addition, red meats, with the right balance of fat and calories, outshine lean alternatives. 3. Look for milk. Securing the top spot is milk, an ageless, reliable option for weight gain and muscle development. Rich in protein, calcium, vitamins, and essential minerals, milk stands as an indispensable ally for those aspiring to augment muscle mass. Consume a glass or 2 post-workout to witness tangible results. 4. Harness the power of nuts and nut butters. Elevate your weight gain journey with nuts and nut butter. Packed with calories, a mere 2 handfuls of nuts daily can substantially boost your calorie intake. Opt for 100% nut butter to enhance the appeal of your snacks with healthy fats and proteins. 5. Include rice. Concluding our list is rice, a simple yet effective source of carbs and calories. Easily digestible, rice offers a convenient means of adding essential nutrients to your diet. Exercise caution with arsenic levels in some rice types, and complement your rice servings with protein and healthy fats for a comprehensive approach. These 5 nutrient-rich foods hold the potential to elevate your journey toward a more robust physique. The choice is yours. Pick wisely and indulge. If you find the information valuable, show your support with a thumbs up and share it with your circle. For intriguing insights into the human body, subscribe to our channel.